Okay, so after we have done this model, then it shows the entire system. See, here we have the support. It is fixed on the X and the Z, and here this circle, it is actually a cone, showing that it is fixed also on the Y direction. And again, okay, but it does not resist rotation and twisting. Okay, and here it shows the joint of column and beams, and the square shows that it is a rigid joint, and this part is also a rigid joint. And this red arrow, very long here, shows the load. I think we have 15, right? The length is longer than 15. How many? Oh, we have 20. Yeah, so the length is 20. Now we have to visualize the result of this analysis. So we go to Kiwi3D result. First, we show the deformed model. Okay, it's we hardly seen the deformation, so we have to enlarge it in order to visualize it more clearly. The scale factor here, we can make a larger scale factor, for example, like 20. Okay, or if we want to make it larger. Okay, so there is a deformation on the beam, and if we change it, I think I have to activate it here. We go to here, we use a button so that we can click on the button, and then it will activate the calculation. Okay, and whenever you change anything, we have to activate it again. Okay, and if you want to analyze it in real time, which means whenever there is any change and you want to simultaneously activate the solver, then you need to put a toggle here and set it to be true. But then in some cases, if the system takes a longer time to do the analysis, then it may hang your system. Okay, and besides the deformation, if we go to Kiwi3D, take a look at the result. There's also 1D element result view, because we have beams, so they are categorized as 1D element. So we send the model to it, and there are some options what type of visualization you like to have. So go to input value list, okay. I think these are the axial forces, or okay, I think I have to set them preview off. Or moment of it. I can change the scale. This time I want to scale it down 0.05. shear forces. The other direction, then we get shear forces on columns instead of beams. I think the same for M2. Then we get moment for columns, not for beams. Okay, so I think this is the first tutorial.